Download this code from codegive.com, link in the description below. Certainly. In this tutorial, we'll learn how to build an inventory management system using Blazor with .NET 8. Blazor is a web framework that allows developers to build interactive web applications using C instead of JavaScript. This tutorial will guide you through the basic setup and implementation of an inventory management system. Prerequisites. 1. .NET SDK, make sure you have the .NET 8 SDK installed. You can download it from the official .NET website, https://.net.microsoft.com/download. 2. IDE, you can use Visual Studio, Visual Studio Code, or any other C IDE that supports .NET development. 3. Basic knowledge of C and HTML/CSS. Step 1. Create a new Blazor project. 1. Open your terminal or command prompt. 2. Run the following command to create a new Blazor WebAssembly project. Bash. .NET New Blazor WASM Inventory Management System. 3. Change the directory to the project folder. Bash. CD Inventory Management System. 4. Run the project to ensure everything is set up correctly. Bash. .NET Run. 5. Open your browser and navigate to https://localhost 5001. Step 2. Set up the inventory model. Create a new folder named Models in the root of your project. Inside the Models folder, create a file named product.cs and define the product class. *//models/product.cs. Namespace Inventory Management System.models. Public class product. Public int ID get, set. Public string name get, set. Public int quantity get, set. Public decimal price get, set. Step 3, create a product service. Create a new folder named services and add a file named productservice.cs. This service will manage the inventory. //services/productservice.cs. Using inventory management system.models. Using system.collections.generic. Using system.link. Namespace inventory management system.services. Public class product service. Private list product products equals new list product. Public list product get products, equals products. Public void add product, product. Product.id equals products.count 0. Products.max, p equals p.id, plus 1, 1. Products.add, product. Public void update product, product. var existing product equals products.first or default, p equals p.id equals product.id. If existing product equals null. Existing product.name equals product.name. Existing product.quantity equals product.quantity. Existing product.price equals product.price. Public void delete product, int id. var product equals products.first or default, p equals p.id equals id. If product equals null. Products.remove, product. Step 4, register the product service. Open the program.cs file and register the product service. Using inventory management system.services. var builder equals webassembly host builder.create default, args. builder.root components.add app. / register the product service. builder.services.add scoped product service. await builder.build, .runasync. Step 5, create the product management component. Create a new folder named Pages, and inside that, create a file named product.management.razor. This component will allow users to manage products, add, edit, delete. Razor. Add page/product management. Add inject product service. H3 product management/H3. Input type equals text at bind equals new product name placeholder equals product name slash. Input type equals number at bind equals new product quantity placeholder equals quantity slash. Input type equals number at bind equals new product price placeholder equals price slash. Button at onclick equals add product slash button. Add for each, var product in products. Add product.name, add product.quantity, add product.price. Button at onclick equals at, equals edit product, product.id, edit slash button. Button at onclick equals at, equals delete product, product.id, delete slash button. Slash li. Slash ul. At code. Private string new product name. Private int new product quantity. Private decimal new product price. Private list product products. Protected override void uninitialized. Products equals product service dot get products. Private void add product. Var new product equals new product. Name equals new product name. Quantity equals new product quantity. Price equals new product price. Product service dot add product, new product. Products equals product service dot get products. Clear inputs. Private void edit product, int id. Var product equals products dot first or default, p equals p dot id equals id. If product equals null. New product name equals product.name. New product quantity equals product.quantity. New product price equals product.price. Product service.delete product, id, / remove the old product. Private void delete product, int id. Product service.delete product, id. Products equals product service dot get products. Private void clear inputs. New product name equals string dot empty. New product quantity equals 0. New product price equals 0. Step 6, add navigation to the product management page. Open the nav menu.razor file and add a link to the product management page. Razor. nav link ref equals product management class equals nav link match equals nav link match.all. Span class equals or list rich aria hidden equals true / span product management / nav link. Step 7, run the application. Run the application again. Bash. .NET run. Navigate to https://localhost 5001/product management to see your inventory management system in action. Conclusion. You've just created a simple inventory management system using Blazor and .NET 8. This example includes adding, editing, and deleting products. You can extend this system by adding features such as data persistence, example using a database, and user authentication. Feel free to explore and enhance this application further based on your requirements.